Unveiling the Casual, Exploring Informal Writing. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on learning English, reading and writing skills. Today we're delving deeper into the diverse world of writing styles. We're going to focus on informal writing and its key characteristics. This is a writing style you'll frequently use in casual conversations, personal blogs, text messages, and more. So, let's get started. Informal writing, as the name suggests, is a style of writing that's often used in more casual and relaxed contexts. It is typically conversational and personal, reflecting everyday speech. You might use informal writing when chatting with friends, writing a personal diary, or even crafting a less formal email. Now, let's break down the main features of informal writing. 1. Use of slang and idioms. Informal writing often incorporates slang, idioms, and colloquial phrases that might not be used in formal writing. 2. Conversational tone. This type of writing mirrors natural speech patterns and may include questions, exclamations, or direct addresses to the reader. 3. Use of contractions. Words like don't, isn't, it's, are commonplace in informal writing. 4. Shorter sentences. While not a rule, informal writing often features shorter sentences and paragraphs to reflect the brevity of spoken language. 5. Personal pronouns. Using first and second person pronouns like I, we, you, is prevalent in this style. 6. Emoticons or emojis. Especially in electronic communication, emojis and emoticons are often used to express emotion. Remember, these characteristics are not always exclusive to informal writing and may sometimes overlap with other writing styles. Informal writing is used primarily in casual or personal contexts. It is common in letters to friends, personal blogs, casual emails, creative writing, diaries, and social media posts. It's essential to assess the situation and audience before deciding to use an informal writing style. And that's it, folks. We've just scratched the surface of informal writing, a style that's as diverse and dynamic as the conversations we have every day. Hopefully, this video helps you grasp the basics of informal writing and its key features. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll be a pro at distinguishing and using different writing styles. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!